In this video, I'm going to show you how to create map dependency fields in Zoho CRM. Hi, this is UV from Thoughtlogik. Before we dive into configuring map dependency fields, let's understand why do we need this in the CRM. Firstly, it helps reduce clutter inside the CRM picklist fields. Imagine that you have to capture the industry and sector of your prospects. Industry picklist will have typically 10 to 20 values, and there will be multiple sectors within each industry. The number of values in the sector could be easily a long list of 50 to 100 values. If we take an example of financial services industry, there will be many sectors like financial advisors, mortgage brokers, insurance brokers within financial services. And if we take an example of construction industry, there will be many sectors like property developers, estate agents, contractors, etc. Without dependency fields, the configuration of the sector field will show all 100 plus values, and the salesperson will find it complex searching for the right sector value. Instead, using map dependency field, we can create dependency between industry and sector. Then the values of the sector will be shown based on the industry selected. In theory, we are creating parent and child relationship between two picklist fields, where the parent field controls the values displayed on the child field. Now let's head over to the leads module, create new lead. So in the leads page, I have industry and sector picklist fields. In the industry, I have different values like financial services, manufacturing, construction, etc. And in the sector fields, I have multiple values like financial planners, wealth management. So all the sectors of the different industries. So in this case, it would be appropriate if the sector can filter, based on the industry selected, right? So I have selected manufacturing. If I can only see the sectors related to manufacturing, it would be easier to map the sector. Otherwise, I have to search through the whole list. So we'll see how we can use map dependency fields to achieve the requirements. I'll cancel out of this and I'll go to setup. Under customization, I'll go into modules and fields, and next to the leads module, I'll go into map dependency fields, and I'll create new parent field. I'll select the parent field as industry and the child field as sector, and I'll click next. So here in this page, you'll see all the values of the industry in the first box and all the values of the sector in the second box. So for the value of none, I'll leave all the sectors as it is, and for financial services, I'll map only the sectors which is relevant to financial services. I'll select financial planners, wealth management, mortgage brokers, insurance brokers, venture capitalist. And for manufacturing, I'll select automotive manufacturing, aerospace and defense manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, electrical equipment manufacturing. And for construction, I'll select property developers, construction contractors, architectural design services, estate agent, etc. And you can see the other values of the industry if you click the next button. So I will leave these as it is with the interest of time. So I'll click on save. To see the changes, I'll head over back to leads module, create a new lead, and if I now select the industry as none, I'll see all the values in the sector field. But at the same time, if I select financial services as the industry, I'll see only the sectors which is relevant to financial services. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to drop a comment below.